Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, introduce myself. My name is Nafa Dimulyaningrum from the Department of English Education, State Islamic University, Raden Masaid. Here I will explain my lesson plan about speaking English quickly. This course is designed to teach students how to quickly speak fluent English in an easy-to-do method for students. The purpose for this learning is to provide a plus value for students so that they can speak English fluently. Analysis. During the analysis phase, I have created the following question. First, how to be able to speak English fast. Second, what is the purpose of fluent English speaking? The question were used to analyze how previously students learned to speak English quickly, and then I can determine what to teach and how to teach the material to my student. From the student answer, they only learn to speak the language in English subject. They are not applied in everyday life. Therefore, I will develop a quick application of speaking English easily. The time needed for development is 4 weeks, one meeting 45 minutes. The development of teaching material uses an LCD projector to display video example of speaking English formally and informally. Design. After collecting the data, I decided to create a 4-week course based on the schedule given to me by my academy director. I created a syllabus with relevant information about the course. Week first. Activity 1. Ask and answer about various things related to the topic to be discussed. Active 2. Discussing vocabulary, pronoun, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. Active 3. Listening to conversation that context expression in the material with examples given via video on the LCD projector. Activity 4. Give oral and written response to the expression heard. Week 2. Activity 5. The teacher review the material that has been delivered to make sure students still remember the material. Activity 6. The teacher give the task to the student to make a conversation with the group. Activity 7. Students get a review by the teacher so that during individual tests, students understand. Week 3. Activity 8. The teacher gives individual assignment to students to tell story about student experience or storytelling using English. Activity 9. Students get a review by the teacher about grammar, tenses, vocabulary, skill in reading student experience or fairy tales. Week 4. Activity 10. The final task is to make a drama performance in the classroom with a theme that has been determined by each group. Development. The learning process in speaking skill English requires the right strategy to develop a student. interest to improve English speaking skill as best as possible. Study speaking skill require good preparation by teacher as a teacher or a supervisor as well as student. Teacher preparation in the implementation of learning English speak skill are vocabulary mastery word, mastery of grammar, mastery of learning strategies, media learning, learning facilities, setting the right study schedule, good learning environment. The goal is to be able to provide different nuances from conventional learning, able to encourage students' interest in learning activities without getting bored, while the preparation of students is the form or mental readiness and self-confidence in the implementation of skill learning speak English. Usually, students who are interested in Indonesian lesson are found to do even talk with some memorable word. These utterance will get better and develop when accompanied by the guidance, direction, guidance, and guidance of the teacher English. Besides, mental preparation and confidence are readiness of materials such as book short daily conversation, quote for everyday English conversation. With reading material that is read, student can learn it and imitate new speech according to contemporary developments. Material is material like this book the above can make it easier for student difficulties because it is easy, readable, and easy to do with classmates regardless of the formal or informal situation conversation. Evaluation from the discussion of fluent English using the ADI model, the author's evaluation is as follows. First, there needed to be an active theory and approach to be applied in learning English. There are three theories, namely behavioral theory, cognitive theory, and natural language absorption theory. Second, it turned out that there are various ways to learn to speak, including increase vocabulary, read aloud, count the rules of simple English, read English writing, have conversation in English, listen to English song, watch English film, and happy with English. And third, in improving students speaking English, teacher can use the role play method. Role play method is considered not only active but also fun and motivating in developing student linguistic aspect. Students who are a little quiet or hesitate in expressing their opinions in class discussion will be more daring in expressing themselves because they because they represent other people in the conversation. They are role playing, not talking for themselves, so that they are not burdened with mistakes that they make that they make role play activities. Thank you for watching and listening my lesson plan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.